Next up, Extraction. This mission is super simple. It's the final mission, tier 7 I think it is. We need to deploy to Dr. Jansen's coordinates and bring Dr. Jansen in for questioning. For this, we'll confirm it with the mission equipped and head into game. Super simple. Okay, so now that we're in game, all we need to do is head across to Dr. Jansen's coordinates. What are they? Well, all we need to do is open up our map and wait for this extraction to spawn. It can be on the right, left, anywhere. It'll usually be in the tier 2 zone, but all we need to do is head across here and hop on the extraction. Keep in mind that if you're solo, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but you can spawn in with the team and forcefully take them with you, whether they like it or not. Not the best thing to do, but it is something. Essentially, you'll climb on an exfil helicopter here. It'll take you, and whether your teammates are with you or not, it'll take them as well to the next map. It's a completely different map where we can complete this mission. It's probably a good idea to come prepared with items, etc. Probably a pack-a-punch gun, but anyways. Alright, so heading across to the extraction point with some gear, I suppose. We'll go ahead and call this extraction in. This should spawn out a whole bunch of zombies for us to kill. Not as much as a normal extraction though, at least. A helicopter should come in and we'll be able to enter it. So there we go. Actually a bit too fast. Now it'll take off, extract us, and take us to a whole new map. So with this one going, we'll load, and after searching for a game, or rather a server I suppose, it should put us straight in. There we go. Now once we're here, all we need to do is head across to roughly the center of the map here that we're flying over, where up there we'll find a radio tower that we need to get to start the next part of this mission. Oh, and also you're not really alone here. There's mercenaries fighting zombies, so there's kind of an all-out war going on. But now that we're here, should be able to pick up a bit of loot and head across to this area here, that tower that I previously mentioned. It is a tier 2 area, so it's a good idea to have some sort of preparation done. Otherwise, it'll be a bit annoying to deal with. I mean, it is quite a distance we need to head across. There are at least buy stations here and probably other things that we can do. No, just a buy station. I don't know what this is. Ammo, probably more ammo. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so running through this incredible lag, we should eventually get to a building that we can climb up. We'll just leave the AI fighting for us. Not outside, that is. Inside we can climb up. And obviously they're overrunning the guards, but on the inside of this here, calling in some reinforcements, we should find that all the way on the top floor. We'll use the self-revive here, but that's not too good. Okay, well, a little bit underprepared for that. Clearing out these elites. We need to head up to the roof, and up here we should find this little tower we need to interact with, and shortly after, it should call in some helicopters that we'll once again have to get rid of. Oh, no, never mind. We actually got rid of them a bit earlier. Okay, well, anyways, we need to head across to the next location where we'll find Dr. Jansen underground. You can see the marker here. I can ping it. We essentially just need to head straight across here. And, hey, death perception, that's pretty cool. I suppose that's there to help you find Dr. Jansen if you're a bit lost. We should be able to head downstairs in here, or at least round the back and then downstairs. We should find in here Dr. Jansen. We just need to protect them while they do some stuff in here. So for a little while, we'll hang around and guard the area. Juggernaut, pretty good. Anyways, we just need to wait around here until this reaches 100%. Kind of a snore mission, but it's not very good. I don't have any self-revives left. Never mind cash to buy some more, or even armor, which is not good at all. Might be the end of my mission. Oh, never mind, there's actually a turret that we could have activated. That would have been useful to find a bit earlier. I don't quite know how to get to it. I suppose up here. Yeah, there we go. And we'll activate it with this one. Cool. Well, I think we need to head down to the bottom floor and follow her up, even though we made it up here ourselves faster. Anyways, hello you. Let's go. Brain rot turret circuit. Okay, so I suppose if you don't pick up a turret circuit, there'll probably be one inside on the table there. That's useful. Anyways, what we need to do is escort her. At least she doesn't have a health bar, which is pretty useful, though I think there's probably still some kind of health limitation, though. Anyways, there we go, upstairs. Hanging around, waiting for, well, I don't know. Can you move, maybe? Yeah, all the way up to the helipad. Slowly. Come on, you. There we go. We're finally at the very top. Sweet. There we go. All we need to do now is just hang around and wait for a helicopter to arrive, and we should be done with the mission. Or at least I'm pretty sure. Oh, and also this turret made life a lot easier, but there are still a lot of zombies up here. Alright, there we go. Helicopter has arrived. All we need to do is board the helicopter, and now we should be able to peace out and just be done with this mission. And even game, I suppose. That's it. I reached level 20, and we're finally done. That's pretty cool, I suppose. Cool. Now a cutscene, but I'll skip through this so you don't have to get spoiled. And there we go. Fading to black. We're done. So thank you for watching. That's really it for this mission. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.